Lila from Bosky Interiors. We're doing a renovation project here in Burlington for Team Rene. They are opening up their new Revel Realty location here in Burlington. We're super excited to work with this client. Right now we're pretty close to the end. We're getting some trim up, the floors are done, the kitchenette's in, the countertops are coming in. Let me show you what's going on in here. Okay, we're here with Rene himself, right in the office.
Hey, so I'm so excited. We have been going through this amazing renovation with Bosky. They've been so amazing to work with. We brought a little office here and we had a hard time trying to envision what are we gonna do with it. So behind me, like, we've got this beautiful receptionist area that's about to happen. Bosky has been really good with just giving us ideas and the potential of what we can do. So we're really excited. We're going to take you through a little tour as well. We've got an office that's going to be built within an office. And Lila, I mean, one of the best things you've done with us is just give us the vision and the hope that we could do everything we want. So, I mean, I'd love it if you could just take us to our kitchen.
Yeah, for sure. So the kitchen area was an interesting spot. Initially, this was a bathroom and kind of a little sink area. So, you know, they wanted a nice kitchenette area for their staff. Behind us is going to be their boardroom with some beautiful glass. So they wanted something that is really visually appealing too in the general space. So this is going to look awesome. We actually have some like black backsplash with some gold grout. So I think that's going to look really cool. And just even in the overall space, right? That's what we do with clients. We work with them to bring together looks and colors. Like, it's a whole process, right? Like, we really worked with Rene and his team to bring together like the look and the feel and the aesthetic that they wanted, from selecting the floors. We're doing this awesome custom reception desk that I'm so excited to have. Some really fun lighting fixtures.
Yes,
I think you guys picked out some really fun stuff. So yeah, we're in the middle of it. Our crew's here putting up the trim right now. The floors are still covered a bit, but I think it's gonna be really, really cool when it comes together.
I was gonna say too, when we're working with Bosky, the one big thing that is huge for us is, I said build a trend so we can also see the schedules of what's happening, and that's been one of the best experiences I've had when I work with a GC. Sebastian, like you're always on top of anything that we need to do. Like, he's on top of it. So we've got the communication, we know the schedule, and in this market when things just get delayed all the time, I mean, we've been pretty bang on. So we're so happy, and it's only a matter of weeks before we've got the finished product.
Yeah, and we can celebrate Team Rene at Revel and their new grand opening. It's gonna be a fun time.
Yeah, we're gonna have a big party. So thanks again for everything you've done. We look forward to finishing up the project.
Awesome. Thanks, Rene. And we are here with Rene from Team Rene of Revel Burlington. This is their 16th location. Revel is a growing real estate agent company. They're at 21 locations now?
We are at 21 and just over 300 realtors in Ontario, and this was the 16th location in Ontario.
And we had the opportunity to work with Rene and his team to bring this beautiful space to life. So we're gonna walk you through everything we did here, working with Rene. His team and his wife was amazing. They had a vision, and we were so happy to execute for them.
It's amazing that we're here at the final final stages, and it's amazing just to see how far we came. Can't wait to take you through this tour. And Lila, tell us where we're gonna go and see.
So we'll showcase right now the boardroom for you, a gorgeous space, and then we'll touch on the kitchen and a few other spaces. So this is a big highlighted area here in the office. We have the boardroom behind us. So Rene, just tell us really what was your vision and how do we make it happen?
Yeah, the coolest thing here was before we had this boardroom obviously designed and constructed. It was 3 rooms and we had no idea how we were going to make it look like this. So Sebastian did a phenomenal job just making sure that we got what we wanted, and it got even more complicated as we went into this section, because this was one area that Lila and I, we had some fun, and creative juices were definitely going here because we didn't know how this was all going to come out, but they put us at ease. They said it could be done, and this is the final product. So we were so thrilled to have that complete. And with all the colors and the design, we try to be very modern, and we just love the finishes that we got here.
Yeah, this was kind of a funny spot. There was originally a little sink here, a bathroom, and a closet. So, you know, it was really up to our design staff to figure out, okay, how do we give them a kitchenette? How do we fit everything they want? Still make it a beautiful focal point, so when they are entertaining clients in the boardroom, they see this awesome kitchen.
Yeah, and of course the fun part was rerouting all the plumbing, the wiring, and and removing the walls and putting it all back together. So it turned out beautiful.
Yeah. Such part of the non-sexy stuff, but the stuff that needs to get done, that's important, right? So all the stuff behind the walls, he's making sure that that's all done properly. So I want to bring you through some of the different features of this kitchenette. We have some black penny rounds. Penny rounds are super popular right now. We're doing them in bathrooms, backsplashes. It's kind of this retro feel that's coming back now. And then touches of that black and gold that we've made sure to kind of spread all throughout the office space. So we got the black and gold handles, black and gold faucet, and you got to check out this countertop with this beautiful gold marbling pattern. And then if you turn around here, we have a nice little refrigerator and some nice storage for them for the office. Yeah, it ties it in really well. Like I mentioned, it had a strange layout before that we had to work with, but you know what? It's awesome, it pops, and now the office has a great little functional kitchenette.
So we're in the boardroom now, one of my favorite spaces. This is where all the decisions are made and the client meetings happen. So really simple, clean. All our lighting fixtures throughout the space are from Mitzi. We've got our step bevel baseboards, beautiful glass system here. It's just clean and professional looking, and I love the way it turned out. It's a great place to sit down and talk some business.
So you gotta have an amazing front reception, right? This is the first thing that any client sees, first place that they get greeted. So we worked on this space and provided them with some custom features. This is a custom made reception desk with some beautiful high gloss and wood finishings that we did here. And then behind me you can see the Revel logo with the classic orange dot. We've also made sure to do this beautiful blue background that again they've sprinkled the blue all throughout the office to tie in the colors. Above me is some beautiful lighting again from Mitzi, these beautiful big round bulbs. You'll see this lighting kind of complemented all throughout the space.
So this is the renovated washroom space. Not a lot changed here, but again, clean, simple, big, open. New vanity, fixture, mirrors, toilet, same flooring and trim throughout. Looks really nice. So another great feature in this renovation is the cork flooring that we've installed by Amarim Cork Flooring Systems. Not only is it a beautiful product, but it's also carbon negative with the way they manufacture it. Zero VOCs, cleans the air as you go, very resilient and durable to high traffic. So this was a great project. It really transformed the space. If you saw it before, and you will see it, it was so compartmentalized. It was a completely different use of space. now that we've opened it up, we've really turned it into an ideal office for the client's needs.
A lot of our projects are residential, but we do love taking on some of these commercial projects where we can really do some fun things and do some dynamic designs. And it was really great working with Rene and his team. They were really open to our suggestions, open to our ideas. You know, it was a quick turnaround because it was one of those situations where, you know, they got the lease, we were working on the designs as we were doing some of the renovations. You know, that kind of stuff does happen, but we really tried to keep a timeline with them and have it ready for a grand opening for them. So I think they were really happy with us all overall.
We pushed through it and we made it look great. So I hope they get to enjoy this for many years to come.
Yeah, awesome. All right, well, thank you guys, and thanks to Revel Burlington. Another great one.
All right, cool.